more directly into the community, is more accountable. This roller coaster ride. What's up guys, this is Musa. I hope you guys have been doing great. This video is about top 5 reasons why to support small, local, independent businesses. Now yesterday I was trying to figure out if I buy a product from a big corporation or a company, how much money will actually the person who sells it get. Now some money will go to banking, some will go to taxes, and a portion of it will go to the main company, and then a part of it will go to the person who actually sells it. Now wait, is that it? Now what it means is if I'm spending $10 to buy a product from this company, the person who is actually selling it will receive, I hope, at least $2 to $3. And this is what I'm hoping, right? Now wait, is that it? Now what if a person who actually makes it is a different person? That means we have to go through and reach the person who actually makes it. Now in this case I'm hoping that the person will at least receive $1, and this is what I hope for, right? Now if I'm buying the product from a small independent business, a local community shop for example, now it means that the banking and the taxation charges will be there, but we will for sure get rid of a couple of things in this case. That means this is a direct way of giving the person more money. I'm talking about the person who actually makes it, rather than the number of people in this entire chain. Now I'm not saying that we shouldn't buy from big companies or corporations, but all I'm saying is the local independent businesses need more support right now. So that means if I buy from a local business, the money goes more directly into the community. Now moving forward, according to BusinessWire, out of every single dollar you spend on small businesses in US, approximately 67 cents remain within the local community. So that means if I'm spending $100 on a product, $67 will stay within the local community. And that is just amazing and surprising to me as well. That's why I'm telling you, support local businesses. Not only this, it also says that if small businesses in the US were defined as the ones having less than 100 employees, and if it were to represent a country, it would have a GDP of $4.8 trillion. That was the GDP of Japan a couple of years ago, and it was the third largest economy in the world. Now these numbers are very big. That means the small independent businesses are extremely important, and they mean a lot. Next time when you try to buy something, the first thing you should do is try to see if you can find the product and buy it from a local small business, at least 2020 and beyond. Now there is one more important thing. Toronto, Tokyo, Istanbul, Dubai, Moscow. Now there is something special, but at the same time something very different in all these places. I mean, all these places do have different characteristics and are known and are famous for something which may be related to, for example, culture, education, or something else. When you simply walk down through the streets, the local businesses in the area will have an important and a crucial role telling you what place or city you are in, because the local businesses do represent a lot. And obviously culture and economy are very closely related. If you want to check out few local businesses, I will leave the link on the top. So these local small businesses make up the places, the countries, the cities, the cultures, so they become an important and an integral part of the place. These local businesses invest and donate more in their local communities. Now I'm not just saying this. According to Medium, 52% of the small business owners donate to charity. And of those that donate, 90% donate to local causes. Now 90% is a big percentage. So you may see a small event which is actually sponsored by small businesses, which is not just a wonderful thing, because you're not only investing in your present, but you're also investing in your future. Well, I am amazed. And yes, all of us have been to school, universities or colleges, or have been homeschooled. There's a good probability that you may know the person, or the person may be a friend of your friend, or a friend of your friend of your friend. Now in this case, what it means, the person is going to sell you a quality product, and if there are any flaws in it, the person will let you know, because obviously you're going to meet the person multiple times. Who knows, you may screw him up. That means the person is more accountable. So this makes buying from a local small business a very special thing, where people don't only trust each other, but it's something where you know that if you have an issue with the product, The person will go beyond the normal business principles to help you out and reach out to you. And maybe in some cases, a one-on-one interaction directly with you. And maybe the person will actually educate you more about the product, about its pros and cons, and be very honest with you. And well, that's a very good thing. Remember the educational video series? The link on top. Now moving forward, we have discussed 4 reasons till now. Now number 5 is very important as well. Reason number 5, innovations. Now when you're trying to support these small independent businesses, that means you do acknowledge the challenges and the risks involved in these small independent businesses. Because these are usually the people who come out of schools, universities and colleges, and they give out everything they have got. Let it be their time and resources, just because they dream big and they want to make it their realities. And it's your turn to contribute and to make sure that these dreams turn into realities, which is not impossible. But the important thing is you guys have to support these local businesses. And remember, risks and challenges will lead to innovation. So next time when you buy something, try to think about how much money actually goes to the person who actually makes the product for you. Now having said that, I hope you guys will subscribe for more videos, and I will see you guys next time.